Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how I draw female or girl side face. But this video is a realistic drawing which I did very quickly just to give you an idea that even if it's a realistic, we always follow the basic things like construction. Realistic drawings require more detailing, so it takes more time. I have spent only half an hour to complete this drawing, which I know is not up to the mark. For the sake of this video, I have done this very quickly. After watching this video till the end, you will surely get a very good idea about realistic faces. And while watching the video, please observe very carefully how I am planning and execute my drawings. Let me know your feedback, and are you interested in this type of drawings, as it's not cartoony. Okay, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So here first I'll do the construction. I'll draw a circle and then two lines for the jaw. Here I am planning as where to place eye, nose, mouth and the ear. The point where the circle and the vertical line touches is the mark for nose, and that point is also the line of eye as well. Roughly I have placed nose and mouth position. Now for the ear. The starting point of nose on the eye line and the end point of the nose is the area to place the ear. So roughly I have placed that too. To find the mouth line, it's roughly the mid place of eyes and chin line. After placing the organs roughly, I am getting the outline of nose and mouth. Next, placing the eyes and finding the distance, as it should not be so close or too far, else it will not look good. The shape of the eye will be like this. If you want me to make a dedicated video on realistic eyes or mouth, please comment below. So this is the eye I'll place here. Keep in mind that it should not be too small or too big, as it will totally change the face. Just take your time to figure it out. For eyebrow, make a shape first, then fill the hairlines. It will be close to the forehead line. Now thinking about the hairs, the style and how it will look with the face. So roughly I'll design it and slowly I'll connect ears and the chin. Next I am extending the neck and drawing rough hairstyle to get the volume. Now getting into the details. First the eye. Here I'll draw the eyelashes, eyeball and try to make it as realistic as I can. I'll draw the eyebrow with dark lines and proper strokes. You can slowly observe the face is somewhat getting real just by making the eye and the eyebrow. Now I'll proceed with other parts. After the detailing of the ear, I'll start drawing the hairs. It will take more time as compared to the other parts of the face. First I thought to skip this part, but I have kept it, as I want you to see how I managed to draw the hairs. Here I am giving some shading to the eye and other areas where required. Here I am extending a bit below neck. I am using the stumping tool to blend the shading lines. This is a Tombow Zero Eraser with the help of which I can give highlights where required. So here's the girl's side face is done, and please let me know your opinion. If you have any queries, feel free to comment below. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Rinku Art along with the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.